And this is not an over-exaggeration, ladies and gentlemen. I believe this is the best time in history to pick up this type of silver. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's dive right in. So today we're going to be talking about what I believe is the best type of silver to stack at this moment. Now, the caveat to this is, again, the precious metals, gold, silver, they move very quickly, right? The premiums on them move very quickly as well. So all this information could change, but I believe there's some really solid evidence as to why this is the best right now. So on the screen here, you're seeing, honestly, some of my favorite types of silver coins. You've got these Canadian silver maple leaves, you've got these Britannias, and then you also have the American silver eagles here. I got a type 2 in my left, a type 1 in my right. Why do I think these are the best right now to stack? Well, again, for those that are new to the channel, I'm a huge fan of premiums, right? The lowest premiums for me is king, almost, I'd say 90 to 95% of the time. And especially early on in my stacking, the reason why I didn't have a lot of coins was because at that time when I started stacking, the premiums were so high on these coins. And gosh, when I started this in 2022, you know, in that time period, you were seeing a real silver shortage, a real silver squeeze. Your American silver eagles were around $18 over spot. I believe the maples and the Britannias were $6 to $8 over spot. I think the maples were a little bit higher in premium. And so because of that, right, just incredibly high premiums, it just didn't make sense, right? When I could get rounds at $3 or $4 over spot, and it's the only difference is they're made by a governmental entity, right? At that time, it just didn't make sense. However, some things have happened since then, right? And this is not an over-exaggeration, ladies and gentlemen. I believe this is the best time in history to pick up this type of silver, right? Because you're seeing the retail market, even though the demand, the shortage of precious metals is so, we're at a silver deficit for the 6th year in a row. There is a huge demand on this from the commercial side, but the retail side, we're still seeing these amazing premiums on these precious metals. And then on top of that, you're seeing a lot of states in the US that are saying, hey, we're going to start allowing gold and silver to be used, right, as a way to pay debts, either public or private, but it needs to be a governmental entity at a minimum. Some states are saying it has to be a US, US minted, right? It's got to be a US entity, but some are not as specific. So to that end, I've, over the last couple of at least the last year, have been really focused on these. And right now, there are some of the best deals right now that you can get on these coins, ladies and gentlemen. I actually picked up 7 more of these maples. JM Bullion had a sale where they were doing these at spot. I believe just last week they had a sale of the Britannias here at spot. And then I saw SD Bullion had different years of American silver eagles at $199. And this isn't, I sometimes am wary when you will see those deals on the like random minted government coin or all that, because you'll look in the comments, or not in the comments, but in the description of the product. And there's nothing wrong with this. They're very upfront on it, but you'll see the mints will say, oh, these are in, varied condition or whatever. These are brilliant uncirculated. These that I was seeing over here, I believe they were brilliant uncirculated as well, and the same on the Eagles. I say that. I did not look at the listing very, I want to be careful in saying that. I didn't look at the listing very specifically from SD Bullion, so I don't know what shape those coins were in, but at least for the Maples and for the Britannias, they were in great shape. They weren't circulated, they weren't dinged, they weren't nicked, they were in fantastic shape. So from that perspective, I don't think there's any reason to not pick these up. Again, this isn't investment advice, but especially if you're a new stacker and you're trying to figure out, hey, what should I be looking into? If it's me right now, I'm focusing on Maples. I'm focusing on Britannias. I did see some deals on Philharmonics. I would definitely not turn down those if I saw any Cougrans. Of course, the American Silver Eagles. I think these are kind of your trinity, if you will, your Britannias, your Maple Leaves, and your American Silver Eagles, especially if you can get them at spot or close to it. And then the other thing I'd be looking at right now is if I can get any brilliant uncirculated fractional silver, right? Especially your junk silver, your constitutional silver. That's going to do it for the video today, ladies and gentlemen. In the comments, I'd love to hear what you think about this. Do you think this is some of the best silver to buy right now, the best silver to buy? Why? Or if you disagree, why not? I'd love to hear your reasons why, and I'd love for you to suggest another type of precious metal or silver, type of silver that you are purchasing instead. Love interacting with the community, love interacting with all of you guys in the comments. So with that, be blessed, be a blessing to others. We'll see you later.